Think setting up a gorgeous planted fish tank means emptying your wallet? Think again. I'm here to show you how you can build a lush, thriving underwater jungle without breaking the bank. No fancy gear, no crazy costs, just some smart choices and a little bit of creativity. If you love aquariums, fish keeping tips, and want more budget-friendly ideas, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join our family of fish lovers. Let's dive in. First up, the tank. Start small. A 10 to 20 gallon tank is perfect for beginners and way easier on your wallet. Check Facebook Marketplace, thrift shops, or local classifieds. You'd be shocked how often people sell full setups for a steal. Now for the base. Grab some inexpensive aquarium gravel or even place sand from your local hardware store. Mix in a few root tabs for plant nutrition. No need for fancy soils. When it comes to plants, stick with hardy, low-maintenance types like Java fern, Anubias, or Amazon sword. These guys thrive without expensive lighting or CO2 systems, making them perfect for beginners. Speaking of lighting, don't get tricked into buying high-end aquarium lights. Affordable LED shop lights or even a clip-on desk lamp with a daylight bulb can do the job just fine. Aim for around 6 to 8 hours of light a day, and you'll see your plants flourish. For filtration and equipment, you really don't need all the bells and whistles. A simple sponge filter powered by a small air pump is cheap, easy to clean, and works wonders in planted tanks. If your fish need warmer water, grab a budget heater and a basic thermometer. Stability matters way more than any high-tech gadget. Now, let's talk fish. Choose small, peaceful species that thrive in planted tanks. Think neon tetras, guppies, or rasboras. And don't forget, always cycle your tank first. Let the filter build up good bacteria before adding fish. It makes the difference between a thriving tank and a world of headaches. Here's a personal tip. When I set up my first planted tank on a shoestring, I expected it to look kind of plain. But as weeks went by, it turned into my favorite tank because I built it myself, plant by plant, fish by fish. The process is half the fun. So there you have it, a beautiful planted aquarium that won't break the bank. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more tips, and join our amazing community of budget-friendly fish keepers. See you next time.